Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. It's Seychelle Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading, and I'm going to do as per 26th of July and so on kind of reading, okay? So it may or may not resonate with every one of you. Please don't mind my hair, it's all messy. Also hit the bell icon definitely to get notified, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and so on as an operator. The message that is for you is there's going to be certain kind of continuation, okay? So this may be some business project, event, or certain thing that you are right now having, okay? This is about certain conversation possible, or you're meeting someone, and this is going to basically continue. I also feel like you already knew, you were aware about something, that this is going to happen like this, and some of you are drawing the line there. I don't know with whom you're drawing the line. It's just that you're not entertaining something here anymore. You also have, though it's not a flip, but this is Goddess, and the energy is like you are healing feminine energy, okay? So you are protecting your phases. This may be as female energy, this may be as male energy, it doesn't matter, because these are general vibes, okay? So but I kind of get this vibe of like you're feeling like whole, and you're like protecting your this, like, how to say, mind, okay? You're protecting your mind not to get involved in something, and that's why you're drawing the line. I kind of feel that vibe. Some of you might be feeling that this is of no purpose, telling someone or making them understand, okay? And that's why you are just focusing on your energy. Look, you have power symbol. Cleanse, purify, and protect the physical body. That's what you are doing. Many of you are like doing the decluttering, cleansing yourself. And how you cleanse yourself? When you focus on yourself, when you're working for yourself, and that's how you create your aura. So many of you are creating your aura, okay? So I'm going to have one card here. Okay. Labyrinth. Transition to a higher level of being, raising your energetic vibration, enlightenment. I hear there is certain someone around you. Might be trying to figure out you, or maybe you are. However this goes, there's a little bit of hazy aura, okay? Or you can say like it's like a puzzle, and someone is trying to reach, okay? So maybe someone is trying to reach you because they feel that you're home. Someone is actually coming home, and because they belong to you, okay? So there's a transition that is going to happen, which is about your energy mode, which is about your of the now, which is also about maybe there's a complicated relationship in your life right now, which may be any kind of connection possible, friendship or love related. Why I'm saying that? Because someone is trying to reach. Again, I'm telling you, someone over here is feeling lost, or they're actually lost in the communication. They don't know what to say, what to present to you, basically, okay? I'll be back, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. So there is going to be someone who might hover, or they are actually there and they're trying to reach. So I feel like this is a complicated little bit of communication or situation here. That's how I feel. You have on the cut side here, we're going to more shuffle. There may be a King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like this is becoming, or someone coming, or looking forward. This is something becoming. I feel that. You also have Three of Cups energy. I feel someone is figuring out you, or trying to, or they're already connected with you, okay? I hear the word exceed. So something is on exceed limit, and someone is trying to stop it, okay? This may be something connected with this person. Someone is, I feel here that someone is too friendly here, or trying to get too comfortable with someone. If you know them, obviously you're going to be comfortable, but possible is a triangle. Now, not everyone is betraying, but I kind of get this vibe that someone is doing something that shouldn't be, because they are in relationship with you. So exceeding something, doing something more for someone, if they are with you or you are doing. However, if this is with you already and you know it, then you might be feeling comfortable, and this relationship is going to go boom, okay? I see here leaf, and leaf with a letter, okay? So maybe there's a letter, actual letter written on leaf, or something is designed as like leaf, okay? Because someone does want to say that how light I feel with you, how I want to grow with you, and this is what my scenario is. This is also the season that is changing. You have spent already the seasons with the person, or so long time, okay? Or maybe you were with this person in that particular season, or someone came in as a season. But I kind of get this vibe that someone is trying to reach again after the season or after the pause. That's why there's complication. Either someone is getting cracked up here, okay, someone is suddenly realizing, oh my god, this is the person, kind of. Let's see overall energy, because there's a high energy of let's solve it, let's discuss it, let's be together. Three of Cups energy, someone's going to express something here, I feel, when you're going to be together, or someone is arranging something here, and that's why it's complicated, because I feel that someone wants to clear out something but they're unable to, and that's why it's kind of energy. Looking at it, looking this at this card, I was seeing this, okay, so there's some complications. I mean, wherever they start, or whoever here starts, they reach to the same position, but all they want is this. Someone might be unable to express what they exactly feel, okay, but this is Four of Wands. Yes, this is high vibration, this is high demand, high connection, whether you are already with them or maybe someone did the friend zone and all that concept. Why this happened, that's because of the complications, okay, but someone does want to approach you again, or they just know that you are the one, or you know. There is some pause in the mid. There may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy as well, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. We're going to see your overall, okay. There may be a Leo heavy, there was strength, okay. Whoa, oh god, okay, so some of you might be dealing with the Leo strength at the bottom. Someone does want to bond with you again, possible, because you have Two of Cups energy, reunion possible, or just a union. And there is something that is, there's a nervous zone I feel here, which is about how should I approach that person again, or just approach. There's a leaf. If you see that leaf, just read that out. This person does feel like in mid of the air. Eight of Wands energy, there's a lot of conversation that is yet to be done, or it's going to happen actually. Someone is unable to actually, what we say sometimes, let me organize my thoughts, or let me organize my words and then put it out. That kind of energy, I feel this is the heavy energy of you, like you're going to talk to someone. And I feel like upcoming 8 days or 8 weeks or so, like a season, I don't know how it fits your situation, but something is going to happen here, okay? Or possible coming 2 weeks or 2 days, they are going to be very, very beautiful for you. How? And this is going to pertain in the long run when you put your karma out. This energy is ultimate energy of like saying that you are going to have conversation either with your soulmate, either you're going to have a reunion, they're going to say something, or you are with this person and you're going to patch up. Not everyone is like, you know, going away or separating. Sometimes people take break, okay. Break means that they need time to organize this thought before they talk to you, because I don't feel that they want to go away if this is about particular energy. And if you have that question of like, okay, what do they want to talk, they want to stay, they want to connect, they have a lot in mind right now, they want to talk to you, okay. Maybe they need to talk about that they don't want to burden you, or they don't want this relationship to get burdened. Basically, they want it light, okay. Someone does want everything in air, so they have a lot to say to you. I feel that. Definitely there is Queen of Wands, like king or queen. They have a decision to make, okay. I don't see there, I don't know if there is a Three of Swords kind of energy, but I kind of feel that there is not a triangle, just a misunderstanding. It's just something between possible. I'm talking to people who are just in this complicated situation of either unable to express what they really want to express, or they're circling around one another. So this is what the aura is like. It's like magnetic, okay, magnetic attraction kind of, but then there's a push and pull, you know, that kind of energy. Maybe the timing is not right, maybe someone is overthinking, maybe this is a kind of like, yes, that word is of course there, so rejection, you know, thing, I feel. But you have Page of Cups, expression is coming definitely. You're going to, they're going to. However, this is Page of Cups. I also hear good news. There may be a Piscean or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is also good news regarding money, something that you're going to get, or maybe some project will go further, or this is also you're working in collaboration with someone who will be your lover if they're not right now, okay. This may go anyways. This is a new handshake even, and I also heard good news. When I say good news, this can be anything, but it's also like if you, this is about lovers or married people, or in that case you're adopting, there's good news like a baby. I see baby, leaf, baby, okay. Earthy matter, maybe a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's a letter which makes sense. There's a letter that will make sense. There is something that's going to be delivered to you with all love and honor. Oh my God, I love you. So this may be from your child if that is the scenario, okay. Whatever pertains with you, just stick to that, otherwise just let it go. I'm not doing personal reading, remember that. So people who are approaching me for personal readings, you have to email me SA shellspeaksmessages@gmail.com. It's in running. Okay, you may check the description box below or on my homepage in about section. Again, you may continue or contact me via Instagram, SASHELLS running, SA Shells. Okay, follow me there, and also you can message me there, and I'm going to give you my email if it's not comfortable for you. However, anyways, your energy is profound. I just want to say that it's a very light approach, I feel, from some side. It's going to be very emotional expression of love, and someone gonna say like blah 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 blah, like everything at once. The way they are protecting themselves, they're going to say it, and it's going to feel like complicated a little bit. Reason, none of you will be able to understand, oh my god, what's happening. Okay, because this is an expression. Even if this person is with you already, they want to say, if this is reunion with the Two of Cups energy, possibility is that something is coming in light you never knew. Okay, someone is too much in head, they don't know what to say, but they're going to say it. Someone is too much in head, they don't know what to say, but they're going to say it. Piscean, yeah, the moon phase. Okay, so there is certain kind of duality, and I always say that there's a lot of bark left, which means loyalty, which means a lot of they want to say something. Okay, some of you being kind of, whenever I say barking, means heated discussion or something like that. Don't get offended. Okay, this is just the way I express. So the bark is all about whatever was done, whatever was chaos happened or discussion heated, whatever happened, this was all done like keeping one thing in focus basically. And two people, they were not looking at one another, rather looking at the problem. So basically it's not against you or the person, it's against that problem and you. So as couple, do understand that. So there is something that someone is going to express. Okay, and it's also about the other side. It's also about, I'm hearing the word cheeky. I don't know what that means for you. Cheeky. What's coming in the future though? There's going to be emotional situation. You also have Six of Cups energy. There may be a Sagittarius, Temperance. There's an emotional state that's going to be balanced out. There's resurgence for sure for some cases. Also, loyalty, being, I don't know what persistent is coming. Someone who does want to clear out something from the past energy. This is possible soulmate, twin flame karmic connections here. You people are trying to figure out one another. So resurgence. I also hear renovation of some sort. Okay, you're going to be very emotional. There's a discussion. I feel like someone does want to say that why happened, what happened, kind of. They have reasons and they have questions and they have answers. Someone who is coming with everything, like, yes, why happened, I have a reason. What happened, I have a reason. And now what will happen, I have a reason. That kind of energy. Recording time 1313, transition. We talked about labyrinth, okay? So get ready for a certain kind of conversation that's going to not exactly heat up. I feel like more emotional. Not heated. It's going to be more emotional. So one person need to like calm down, both of you. We're going to see that. To use my own deck here. And then let's see. They have feelings. Okay, well, let's see the flip. What's coming for you? Self-centered. But someone is going to contact you who was self-centered. For some cases, something was abusive or violent. If that is the case, you decide on your own. Of course, I'm just the messenger. But there's someone who's contacting you. Contacting you with the hope of getting reunited with you with the Ace of Cups. If this is someone new, because there's Page of Cups energy as well. I kind of get this vibe of like you're going to be very emotional in the decision between past and your present scenario. And that will decide your future, obviously. Be responsible for your karma. So there may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Piscean. Maybe Piscean lied to you too much. Someone was self-centered, or they were just self-centered. What that means, selfish is okay to some extent. We need to think about ourselves, otherwise we'll get exploited. But self-centered, someone was too to the point. It's someone who needed help, violation of rules or something, abuse, and maybe you helped someone. Someone might be feeling light regarding being a leaf, like free from that certain kind of bondage or chain, you know. Okay, but there is also new hope in love matter. If this is something new because it's coming in future, there may be again Leo, or this is sun, beautiful energy of love matter, or just feeling fresh in the morning, which means feeling fresh from certain situation. Someone is too much or was too much focused on themselves, and that's why the clarification came through. And now they have like dual thing, like, you know, I have reasons and all that stuff. That's all I have for you. Just think about the best for your life. Okay, there is love, new, entering, but there's also self-centered God. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon.